lesson on the six-stroke roll, one of the coolest rudiments there is. Okay, the sticking for the six-stroke roll is right, left, left, right, right, left. Right, left, left, right, right, left. Group of six, so it's counted, it's felt as a triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 ta-ta, anta-ta, 2 ta-ta, anta-ta, and so forth and so on. Here it is. Here it is in context with a beat. I'm going to play 3 measures of a beat and then 1 measure of a fill using 16th note triplets using the six-stroke roll. Noticed I started the six-stroke roll with the right hand on the tom-tom or on the floor tom-tom. So you have or, a lot on Motown records. So you can also use this sticking right, left, left, right, right, left, 6 notes, and add 2 more notes. I add them with the kick drum. And you can use them as 16th notes, 32nd notes, 8th notes. I also like to use the six-stroke roll within a beat. Usually a beat with kind of a swung triplet feel.